Hi guys, it's Courtney here and we're back with another property tour. Welcome to my channel where we talk about business, finance, entrepreneurship, real estate, and just life in general. Today we're at the foot of Red Hills with a beautiful property valued at 32 million Jamaican dollars. It's 1,400 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and we actually have a pool and a rooftop entertainment area. And not one, but 3 entertainment spaces. So without further ado, let's begin the video. So we're going to kick off our tour by heading into one of the units, okay? So follow me. So before we go any further, I wanted to point out the fact that this is actually a smart lock. Now with this lock, you can actually use your card, you can use your fingerprint, or you can use a special key right here, okay? So we're gonna be entering inside the unit. And just as I step inside, the first thing I notice are the beautiful accent lights. In addition to the accent lighting, I'm also noticing that they have dark moldings in this unit. You guys know I'm a big fan of dark crown moldings. And right in front of me is actually the kitchen area. So behind me is a beautiful modern kitchen. So the first thing I notice are the dark cabinets, okay? So this kitchen actually has space for you to install your fridge. We have more than enough cabinet space. And I absolutely love the countertops. So come on, let me show you more of the kitchen. The first thing I also see is a double sink. You guys know I'm a big fan of double sinks, stainless steel appliances, and I'm really loving this cabinet. Wow, this is amazing. Oh, guys, I want you to take your attention over here. We actually have a wine cabinet. So if you're into wines and stuff like that, you can always keep your wines right in the middle here. And we also have some glass in the middle of some of the cabinets as well. This kitchen also has adequate drawer space. So don't be afraid to stock up all of these drawers. I love a kitchen with good storage. You actually head directly into this space where you can actually use for laundry, or if it is that you want a little home office, you can do that as well. But basically we have a sink for washing here, and then we also have pipe fixtures installed for your washing machine and your dryer, okay? You can also have your water heating system in place as well. I absolutely love this laundry space. I think it's a decent sized space for laundry. And as usual, we are always fans of laundry spaces with windows for ventilation. Now we're going to be heading into the bedrooms. This unit has 2 bedrooms and also bathrooms, okay? So let's go. Now once you exit the kitchen, we actually have a powder room for your guests. Of course, you know, sometimes persons just want to freshen up. And here we have a beautiful powder room for your liking. It has a beautiful sink and also a toilet installed. This powder room actually does have storage as well. So if you want to keep little amenities on the hair, like your sanitary napkins or your wipes for your guests, you can do so as well. Once you exit the powder room, on my left and right are actually our bedrooms. So we're going to be heading into bedroom number 1. So guys, this is the master bedroom. This is a massive bedroom with tons of natural lighting, dark pearl moldings all around, and I love a good bedroom with a number of sockets so you don't have to struggle to plug in your entertainment set or your fans or what have you. This bedroom actually has access to an outside balcony. So we're going to be viewing the balcony, and before I go outside, please note that all of these windows and doors are soundproof, so you don't have to worry about the traffic or the noise pollution outside. So here we have our outdoor balcony. Now personally, if I were to design this space, I would definitely have a small table and a small chair and probably just sip some coffee in the mornings. There's a beautiful want outside, come on outside, let me show you. So there's this beautiful view of Kingston that I want you to see. You can view the community, you can view the hills, tons of fruit trees all around, so you can get familiar with the neighbors and get fruits every single week. And if it is that you want some extra breeze, feel free to leave your balcony door open. So let's just come around the corner so you can get the full scope of the balcony. This is a decent sized balcony space, and if you were to have the master bedroom, you would have this space all to yourself. So now that we're back inside, we're going to view the master closet and also the master bathroom. So this has a huge closet space, and I love the fact that the mirror is from top to bottom. So if you're a fashion person like me, you have no issues viewing your outfit. And guys, what did I say about this closet? A massive closet. This is literally a walk-in closet for me. There's storage up top, there's storage below, and adequate space for you to even spin around and grab what you need to grab. So up here, I would definitely keep some suitcases, large objects. Probably if you have Christmas decorations and stuff, this can also go up here. And then you can probably install some metal rails here to actually hang your clothes. So now we're going to exit the closet and then head into the master bathroom. Now, I did do a walkthrough of this house, so I know what the bathroom looks like, but I want to surprise you guys because it's just so amazing. So this bathroom actually has double vanity sinks, walk-in shower with a beautifully designed glass, and also mirrors for each of your double vanities. So I want to just showcase the sink here. So like I said, double vanity, stainless steel appliances, floating shelf for your toiletries, and also a median shelf for additional toiletries, storage for your towels, storage space for your personal toiletries, and much more. Once we're done with that, we actually have a private toilet area. So you do have some privacy when you're using the bathroom. And then once we're finished with the toilet area, there's actually a walk-in shower. So guys, we actually have a massive walk-in shower here. And then once we walk in, there's actually stainless steel finishes. Now I wanted to point out, the flooring of the shower is actually sloped, so you don't have to worry about your water running outside. And then we actually have, modern fixtures in here. We have an overhead shower. Adrian, you might want to come in and get some of this. An overhead shower and actually a hose if you want to do this personally and use the water on yourself. Wall socket for you to store your soaps, your shampoos, and so forth. And I also wanted to highlight the glass design. So it has a beautiful design here that I love so much. It really brings off the aesthetics of the bathroom. So that's it for the master bedroom and bathroom, guys. Now we're going to be heading into bedroom number 2, where I'll show you guys what the space is like. So welcome to bedroom number 2, where we have an equally spacious bedroom, just like the master bedroom, and an amazing closet. So this bedroom actually has an adequate amount of electrical sockets, just like the previous room. And we have a nice closet here with a decent amount of storage. Now, for this closet, we don't necessarily have shelves like the master bedroom, but it's just as big. So come inside and you can probably get a glimpse of the size of the closet. The fact that I can walk in here means it's a good size closet. Hi. So like I said, decent closet space, right? We also have full-length mirrors for all of the doors, so you have no issues trying to see what your outfit looks like. And then we also have a huge window right in front of me, behind the cameraman, where you can see lots of natural lighting being let inside the room. So this is what the window is looking like. Woo. Guys, it's very sunny outside, so excuse the lighting. And as I open the window, a nice gust of breeze just came inside. So don't worry about having a properly ventilated room. This would be a very cool place to live. You're elevated, you're not down in the city, and so it's easier for the breeze to come inside the property. So because this is not the master bathroom, we don't have a vanity sink, unfortunately, but we do have a beautiful sink inside. This is a nice size sink with stainless steel fixtures, adequate storage underneath for for your personal toiletries and storage for your towels and stuff. A beautiful full-length mirror, perfect for the space inside this bathroom. And I'm actually loving the tile designs in here as well. I was always a fan of these little stone designs, and I actually have them in my kitchen at home, but I like the fact that they're in the bathroom. So once we're finished with the sink, we actually have the toilet area right here. Not really a wall present for privacy, but considering that this is the person's own bedroom, you do have your own private bathroom. Both bedrooms have their private bathrooms actually. So we do have yet another walk-in shower. The glass design is a little bit different. We have frosted glass, and then we actually have similar stainless steel fixtures inside. So I like the overhead showers for both of the bathrooms. This one is a little different, but they're both quite large. And then we have a personal hose here in case you want to do your own wash-offs and stuff like that. And then we do have piping here as well in case you want to catch some water or you want to wash off your feet. We also have a socket wall for you to store your toiletries and your shampoos and stuff like that. And this bathroom actually has ventilation and natural lighting. So this is where we entered both bedrooms. So the master bedroom is on my left and the second bedroom is on my right. But behind me, we actually have more storage. Yes, I said it, more storage. So if you thought the kitchen was enough, it didn't stop there. We have a storage closet here if you want to keep your towels, your toiletries, like your tissues if you shop in bulk like me. If it is that you have extra bedding and stuff, you can keep them in this storage closet. And then we're going to basically walk back out into the living space, which is connected to the kitchen space. And I absolutely love this unit. My main takeaways from this unit is actually the storage. Considering that it's an apartment complex, I think it has tons of storage. Comment below if you agree with me, and comment below if you love that kitchen. Space number 3. And guys, I know it was raining in the last property tour, but today it is sunny and we can see Kingston. So if you look in the distance, you can actually see the coastline here, and it's absolutely amazing. It's so amazing, right? So this space, you can easily accommodate a large table with a few chairs, and you can actually see St. Catherine and pieces of Kingston into the distance. So this rooftop actually has 3 entertainment areas. You saw me standing on the first one earlier, and I'm going to be showing you the second entertainment area where you can actually have a bar-like setting.